Welcome back. So we were looking at the learning objectives and as promised the first question that we want to address is what exactly is data science, right? So before we start answering this question, it is important to understand why is there so much confusion, right? Something so popular, why is there so much confusion around it? Why is there no clear understanding of what data science is, right? One reason for that is that it's an assortment of several tasks, right? There are different tasks involved in the data science pipeline and we'll tell you what these tasks are soon. And that's why it's not very clear that who can call himself or herself a data scientist, right? You might be doing one or few of these tasks that are involved in the pipeline and still say that, okay, I'm a data scientist, right? And also more importantly, from application to application, as well as the environment or the organization that you're working, the importance of these tasks changes, right? So in some environments, in some applications, a particular task may be more important. In other applications or environments, the other task may be more important, right? So there's this uneven distribution or uneven importance of these different tasks, and hence there's confusion that if I'm just doing this task or these two tasks, is it still called data science or not, right? So we'll try to clear that confusion. So let's start by asking this question: what are these different tasks involved in data science, or what are the different tasks that a data scientist should know, right? So here are the tasks. The first task is collect. So I mean collect data. Second is store data. The third is process data. The next is describe data, and then finally model data, come up with models for the data, right? So these are all of these that you need to do in a typical data science pipeline, or a data scientist has to know at least one or more of these skills, right? And it might be possible that you're working in an environment where you don't really care more about the modeling aspect. I'll tell you what modeling entails. In fact, I'll zoom into each of these tasks in the subsequent videos. But just to give you an overview right now, you might be working in an environment where no modeling is required, right? And all you care about is describing the data in a certain way, right? Drawing graphs about it, explaining the mean, median, mode, etc. about the data, and that's sufficient for you. You don't really want to prepare models. And in some cases, you might not be really required to collect data because you're working in a data-rich organization. You already have access to the data, so the collection of data part may not be so much. What you might be needing to do is process this data, clean it, and so on, right? So that's why this assortment of different tasks and different importance and different applications is what creates this confusion about what is a data scientist's job and what constitutes data science, right? So having given you an overview of what these different tasks are, in the subsequent videos now, I'll zoom into each of these tasks, starting with collecting data, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.